Halo paralok, ki subscriber jongnga, bat ki paralok ki ban peit ya kene video. Minta ngadon ha kene gajaka ka badon ya ka story ka sngewtynnad bha. Sephang jong ren te ka snong jonga ka de na maudang te ka jingjingai kalong kumba 1 kilometer na snong jonga ha kene gajaka. Te kene gajaka ka de ha ka spo jong ka snong ka baha po ka snong pungwe kian ilaka nong jri te menta kane kawa ki khot ka wa chela te menta ngani thu ya pika khana ka bale se ki babun ki latip ya ka ta khana han re menta ngani thu ya ka khana jong kane kawa da ka tin phareng ka ba ho ya jing sha ngampat danang bha han re ngan yele ka bala ban kren ban pensu thu malu mala yo ne paralok jonga ubawan na po Andhra Pradesh te menta ngan sedang ban yathu khana yaw ne pro jonga sephang ke jingjia ha kane ka wa sela te paralok ngan pne iaphi ya ka thi ka wa ya ka thi ka jaka khwai jong ren te menta ngan yathu no ngan karen no da ka kin phareng broken English friends, I want to let you know that in this place, no, in this river, there is a story, a real story, true story. In this river, there is a man from this village, from Pungweikian village, and daily he come here and catching fish. He is a fisherman, and he love to catching fish, and daily he catching and he catch more fish. Somebody, his friend, they catching only 2-3 fish like that. But Renz, he catch more fish. I think when he back home, he bring much of fish. And see inside the river, no, inside there is a river. There is a river, and daily he try to come here and catching there. So the story is I think 100 years like that. So that runs, no, that runs. He come here, and here there is a mermaid. Mermaid, you know, no mermaid. And that mermaid, she fell in love with him, and that is the reason that Renz catch more fish inside the river. And when she fell in love, she came and she speak with him. Nobody saw her, but only Ren. No, only Ren. And she fell in love with him, and she proposed him, and him also, he loved her, he liked her. And once day, that mermaid, she want to marriage with him, and Renz, he denied. He told that his mom will mad at him, but she tried to understand him. She said, "Don't worry, I will come with you to go to your mom and to propose to what can I say, to make her understand about their love." So one day Renz, he go and tell to her mom that he has a girl that he love her, and he told that she want that girl, she want to come with him in his house, and his mother also he accept, and she said to Ren, to take her to his home. And first when he make their what they call, make their plan success, Ren he told to his mom that my girlfriend mermaid told that you have to promise that when she come to his house, you don't
Broomstick.
you don't
You have the broomstick. on
you
the floor.
you have to put away the broomstick because that mermaid, she don't love broomstick, she hates. And Ren's mom, he promised. Ren's mom, she promised that she will keep that promise. And next day, Ren she go to take her or to take his girlfriend. And yes, and when they reach in Ren's house, that mermaid saw that broom outside the
Outside the
house.
house.
Yes, and she called to Ren. You broke our promise.
Promise.
I said you to don't put that broom, but your mother is broken promise. So I have to leave from your house and I have to go back to my own village. On that inside the river, no? Yes. So Ren also, because he love her, he tell to his mom, my mom, I love you so much. But how can I do? What can I do? You broke that promise. So me too, I have to go to live with her forever. And the thing, because before he left from his house, he told to his mother, Mom, only one I let you know, to know when if the sound of waterfall is coming loudly, you still know that I am alive.
Okay.
But when the waterfall is not, the sound is not coming loudly, you know that I am dead.
Okay.
I'm not alive. So the story is reached to the end. So Ren's mom, she cried. She feeling guilty about her, yes, she broke the promise. So Ren he wish her mom to stay. He wish her mom to what?
Stay alive.
Yes, to don't worry
Strong.
about him.
Stay strong.
Stay strong, and you just, if you want to hear my voice, just come in the river and listen. Just listen the waterfall sound. So the story is end, and bye bye friends. I think you will happy to watch this video to know about the story in this river. In this
Okay.
river, Washala. So, see, the river is nice, and
What the name of this place?
yes, Washala.
Washilla.
And Ren's house, Ren's village name Pungweikian.
Pungweikian.
Yes, the village is there. Is there. It's the place you stay. Yes. So, bye friend. My friend.
From Andhra Pradesh.
I'm my friend from Andhra Pradesh. And this story, I think you will make the story will make you happy. And bye bye friend, take care. We will continue in the next video. Always watch my video to see the beautiful thing, the beautiful story, the beautiful journey. So keep watching my video and subscribe, share, comment and like. Bye bye friend. The name of this blog is Adventure Vlog 10. Yes. Bye, friend.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.